है कि किसने इंट्यूटिवली बता दिया, नहीं, ये साइंटिफिक तरीके से आपका फोटो आएगा एंड देन सो योर एनर्जी सिस्टम कैन आल्सो बी मेजर्ड एज यू गो ऑन, राइट? सो दैट सिस्टम ऑफ योर एनर्जी is your Markaba. Markaba is the energy vehicle of your soul. Whatever energy you are carrying, if you are carrying energy of scarcity, it is due to a part of the Markaba which is malfunctioning or not balanced. If you are carrying energies of abundance, bahut paisa hai aapke paas, then you are carrying energies of Markaba, which is where you are carrying energy of money in your Markaba field, which is giving you a lot of money. If health is a challenge, then there is that part of the energy field in you, in your Markaba, which is unactivated, which is dark, and that is why that thing is showing up in your life. So the Markaba is the energy vehicle of your soul, right? So let us understand the dynamics of energy, right? We need to, when we talk about energy and when we say, almost everybody agree to the fact that an energy field is everything to whatever we are facing in our lives. But let us understand, Markaba is an energy field surrounding us, enveloped in light. Just as we have chakras, as you see in the picture, there are chakras, and outside the chakra we have aura. You know, people say no aura. People say chakras. Outside the aura, there is the subtle body which is called the Markaba. It is also called the Shiv Shakti energy field, right? So, chakras, then aura, and then Markaba. As you move on, you will hear more and more about the Markaba. As we are moving into from 3D to 5D, you will hear more about the Shiv Shakti. You will hear more about the Markaba. Now, it is an invisible three-dimensional star which is formed by two interlocking triangles, one pointing upwards and the other pointing downwards. The one which points upwards is called the Shiv, and the one which points downward is called Shakti. So both of them, they form a 3D star. It is also called Shatkona in Indian tradition. You can Google Shatkona. So that is the symbol of unity. This geometry harmonizes the male and the female energies in every person. This is present in every person. It is not that it is present in me, not present in you. Every person has this Shiv Shakti energy field, right? Markaba is a spiritual vehicle that elevates you to a higher consciousness, higher level, acting as a bridge from physical to spiritual. Currently, the Shiv Shakti or the Markaba is dormant. Dormant yani kind of not moving, stuck up. But once it is activated, it begins to spin. यानी कि ये घूमने लगता है, and I will show you how it spins, right? Unlocking its powerful benefits, right? So there are two aspects of energy. See, when we talk about energy, there are many people who feel and who say, energy, and this is energy, that is absolutely okay. But for convenience sake, we break it down to two forms or two aspects. Now, Shiv Shakti is a natural energy field. Everything in this universe is about Shiv and Shakti. If you go deep, ना, अगर आप deep study करेंगे ना, आपको पता चलेगा सब कुछ शिव है और शक्ति है, और शिव एंड शक्ति का कॉम्बिनेशन है. जहां पर शिव है और शक्ति नहीं है, वहां पर आपको मार्ग पता है, लेकिन आप उस मार्ग पे चल नहीं पाओगे. जहां पर शक्ति है और शिव नहीं है, वहां पर आप केवल काम करते रहोगे, लेकिन आपको मार्ग नहीं पता है. Like that is Shiv and that is Shakti. We'll get into more of that. Together they are called, the union of Shiv and Shakti is called Markaba. And it is the most ideal tool for creation and new beginnings. Now we are bridging the Eastern and the Western wisdom in a way that is accessible to all. Some of you might connect to Markaba. Yes, Markaba karke. Some of you might connect to Shiv Shakti. The communion of Shiv Shakti is Markaba. So whatever is accessible to you, whatever your inner being says, yes, I connect to it as Shiv Shakti, connect. What if your being says connect to it as Markaba, connect as Markaba, right? So Shiv is about growth. Shiv is about success. Shiv is about evolution. And Shakti, the lower triangle, is about flow. It is movement, it is flow, it is power. Right? And as you go on, I will share with you more about what is Shiv and what is Shakti. And by tomorrow, if you're really introspecting within, you will really come to know whether your Shiv energies are imbalanced or your Shakti energies are imbalanced. Right? Just keep on introspecting. I am not telling you you need to move ahead and आपको मेरे साथ मरकबा करना, वो मैं कुछ भी नहीं बता रहा हूँ. But whatever I'm trying to take you through in these 2 days, try to connect to that and try to introspect it. Right? Because for many, this might be something which has come up for the first time. Right? जब आप इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करोगे तो आपको अपने कनेक्शन चीज के साथ, right? And then you will say yes, this is what it is, right? Now, Shiv is a Shav without Shakti, right? Now, when we say that the lower triangle is Shakti, यानी जो triangle नीचे point कर रहा है ना वो शक्ति है, and the triangle which is pointing upwards is Shiv triangle. If you see in the Kundalini science, the science of Kundalini में अगर आप देखेंगे, so the Shakti is there, or the root chakra houses the Shakti, and the Kundalini Shakti, if you understand it from the perspective of Kundalini. And जब Kundalini Shakti unwind होती है, it moves up, and the Shiv here is the magnet. If your Shiv is balanced, then it will go up. It will go up, and your Kundalini will awaken. But if this Shiv is not strong, the Shiv energies are not strong, या ये Shiv जो है अगर imbalanced है, right? What will happen? The Shakti which is coming up, although it is powerful, it will get scattered here and there, here and there. What you will do in your spiritual journey also, आप 20 चीजें करेंगे, लेकिन एक भी चीज आपको वहां नहीं ले जाएगी जहां पर आपको जाना है. Right? So that is about Shiv and Shakti. Shiv is here, and you know when Shiv meets Shakti, a creation is formed. When Shiv meets Shakti, a person gets enlightened. When Shiv meets Shakti, that person gets into fighting. When Shiv meets Shakti, the awakening happens. Right? So the Shiv has to be balanced and the Shakti has to be balanced. Now what happens if this Shiv is balanced? This Shiv is here. Shakti balance नहीं है ना, तो इधर उधर सब कर रहे. Now connect this to your life, to your materialistic life, be it health, be it money, be it relationships. How many of you feel कि आपकी लाइफ में आप कर तो बहुत कुछ रहे हैं, लेकिन आप वहां नहीं पहुंच पा रहे हैं जहां पर आपको पहुंचना है? How many of you feel that way? Just type me in the chat box. मतलब you're doing a lot of things. Probably, if I might explain you कि to earn money also, you're doing a lot of things related to earning money, but you're not able to reach where you want to be, where you want to reach. यानी efforts आपके बहुत ज़्यादा है, लेकिन जहां पहुंचता है वहां नहीं पहुंच पा रहे. Okay. Fine. So all those of you who just mentioned me, all of you, there is a problem in the Shiv energy. That means in the divine masculine energy, because this sets the goal. This sets the goal. The Sahasrara here, and the efforts are Shakti. जो भी आप हाथ पैर चला रहे हो, जो भी कर रहे हो, वो शक्ति है. जो डायरेक्शन देता है वो शिव. Now the other way around, how many of you feel that आपको पता है आपको कहाँ जाना है, लेकिन आप वहां पहुंच नहीं पा रहे हो? How many of you feel that way? You know where you want to go. That is very clear in your mind. जैसे goal setting होती है ना, kind of goal setting. You know where you want to go, but you don't know what is the path to take. Great. So all those of you who have mentioned this, there is a problem in the Shakti energy. Because in that case, when you know where you want to go, then your Shiv energies are good. Because Shiv sets the direction. And when we talk about Shakti, it is about feminine. अब देखिए कभी भी, and see you, and what I am taking you to now, or what you are going through right now in Merkaba is a little bit beyond. It is the next step after becoming a devotee of Shiv, after becoming a devotee of Shakti. You know what is the next step? It is about living the Shiv consciousness. It is about living the Shakti consciousness. पहले तो आप कनेक्ट हो रहे हो शिव को, so many of you mentioned, आप शक्ति को कनेक्ट हो रहे हो. अब उसके बाद का next step in your evolution journey is the consciousness, right? It is living the Shiv consciousness. It is living the Shakti consciousness. And your bhakti does not necessarily mean कि अगर आप बहुत अच्छे शिव भक्त हैं तो आप शिव consciousness live कर रहे हो, नहीं. That journey was separate, and from here your journey starts into living Shiv consciousness, right? You'll get to know more as we go on, right? So Shiv is Shav without Shakti, and if you're stuck up in your life somewhere, your feminine aspect or Shakti energies are imbalanced, right? And as I mentioned, Shakti is scattered, यानी कि आप सब कुछ कर रहे हो. देखिए, see, all of this can be very very easily validated. ये इस theory को अगर science को आप बराबर समझ गए ना, then really you can understand the Merkaba, you can understand the Shiv Shakti, you will connect to your own energy field. See, if you're doing everything and still not able to succeed, that means Shiv energies में कुछ problem है. Right? So just look into where you are. Sometimes ये भी बहुत लोगों में होता है कि शिव energies and शक्ति energies दोनों imbalanced है. बहुत सारे लोगों में होता है. Right? And leave aside कि you are a शिव भक्त और a शक्ति माँ देवी की आप उपासना करते हो, वो तो आप कर रहे हो, वो तो हो चुका. Now we are going beyond that. Right? You cannot be stuck up in one part of it for your whole life. Now you need to move ahead from worshipping Shiva to becoming Shiva, right? इसीलिए है ना वो हर हर महादेव. That means हर एक कण कण में महादेव होना है, हर एक व्यक्ति को महादेव होना है. And if you see in your life also, why people generally go to Vaishno Devi, example, they go to Vaishno Devi with mannats, है ना? People generally go to Vaishno Devi. She is so very well known with mannats. Why? Because Shakti is for your material growth, यानी materialism में आपको जो भी चाहिए ना, जो भी इच्छाएं हैं आपकी, वो पूरी करने के लिए शक्ति है. And you know who is Shiv? People don't go to Shiv for मन्नत, ना ये मेरा काम कर दो, वो काम कर दो, मुझे पैसा दे दो. Shiv is always in the meditative state. So you go to Shiv for peace. You go to Shiv कि मुझे अपने consciousness में आगे बढ़ना है. So Shiv is for spiritual growth. Shakti is for material growth. And your life can get balanced. See, we are all grahasthas. हम वो योगी नहीं है ना जो हिमालय के इसमें बैठे हैं और पहाड़ों में बैठकर वो कर रहे हैं तपस्या. वो तो उस चीज के लिए बने हैं. We are grahasthas. We need materialistic things also. We need spiritual things also. Spiritual growth also. So there has to be a balance of Shiv and Shakti. Right? Introspect this tonight, and you will get a lot of insights into what exactly is happening in your life, and you will connect to your own Shiv and Shakti energy, which is the key and which is so very important. When they are combined, they ignite a new you. And this is not magic, this is ancient science plus divinity meeting the modern you. Right? See, यही चीज ये बहुत टाइम से एग्जिस्टिंग है. बट क्या होता है, देखिए आजकल क्या हो गया, काफी सारा नॉलेज हमको कुछ चीजें व्हाट्सएप से मिलती है, कुछ चीजें यूट्यूब से मिलती है, कुछ चीजें कैसे मिलती है, बिकॉज इट इज टेक्नोलॉजी ना. सो वी आर गेटिंग इनटू, जैसे हम जूम पर आज है, एक वो टाइम पर जूम नहीं हुआ करता था. वो टाइम पर लोगों को जो ज्ञान मिलता था या एक्सपीरियंस मिलता है, इट वाज टू गो टू अ गुरु एंड डू दैट. आजकल आप अपने गुरु से कनेक्ट करते हैं, अगर श्री श्री रविशंकर है या ईशा सतगुरु, आप क्या करते हैं, कोई भी गुरु है आपके, आप उनसे जूम के ऊपर भी उनके प्रोग्राम्स होते हैं, आप उनसे कनेक्ट करते हैं. सो थिंग्स चेंज over a period of time. Things are becoming more and more easier. So this is all about the modern world, and the modern world is about the ancient science is being repackaged into a way that it is becoming easily accessible to you, right? To help you finally live the life your soul was meant to be, right? Now, Markaba is the energy plus geometry, that is the sacred geometry, plus your consciousness, that means your Chetana, right? It is your inner light body where your Shiv, that means your awareness, meets your Shakti, which is action, right? And together it is the divine union of this is the Markaba. आपके outside में ये जो दोनों triangles है, that is the Markaba. And if you've gone through all the videos that I've shared today, there is one video, more of that will come as our office will share. Look into it. People are starting to speak about the Markaba क्योंकि 5D पहुंचना है, तो Markaba is a very easily accessible tool to reach to 5D, right? And Shri Ravi Shankar is speaking about it. There are so many people who are speaking about it. And Kitni, I think Shiv and Shakti equal to Murugan also, that was shared. So there are so many relevances. You just need to open up your consciousness to understand and grasp all the things which are out there. When this union happens, everything in your life aligns effortlessly, right? The right side of the body is the Shiv, that is the divine masculine, and the left side is the Shakti. Everything in this universe, as I mentioned, is about Shiv and Shakti. The entire cosmos is a primal dance. It's a dance of two primal energies, the Shiv, which is the consciousness, and Shakti, which is the creative power. They are not separate. They are two aspects of the same source. जैसे एक कॉइन होता है ना, एक ही बाजू छपा हुआ नहीं रहता है. The coin is there on both sides. एक heads, एक tails. The same way, one is Shiv and the other is Shakti. What we are doing is that we are making it very, very easy for you. We are breaking down the energy. See, this program has taken me at least 3 months to bring it about in such a way, and we are still evolving with this. We are learning as we move on. When we are learning, देखिए जो मुझे आता है जरूरी नहीं है कि उसको मैं प्रेजेंट कर पाऊँ, isn't it? मैं वो जो मुझे आता है उस तरीके से मैं आपके लिए ला पाऊँ जो कि आपके लिए भी इजी हो समझने के लिए. It is not necessary. So we are also evolving in our understanding. We are also evolving in making people understand what we are understanding, right? And all of this is coming from Shiv and Shakti, right? So these are two aspects of the same source. Shiv and Shakti are the very cause of the problem once they are divided. See the program ना, वो शिव शक्ति का प्रोग्राम आता है ना, I don't remember, शिव शक्ति है शायद ना. So how Shiv and Shakti, when they are शिव एंड शक्ति अलग हो जाते हैं तो पूरे यूनिवर्स में कैसे क्या हो जाता है, अंधकार हो जाता है, सब क्या क्या हो जाता है. You see that serial, right? So they are the cause of the problem when they are divided, and they are the cause of the problem. They are divided in us also even now, and probably we are not understanding that. We are looking and running after healings. Now is the time where you need to understand these two aspects of healings and work on these healings, right? When they are reunited, the outer chaos is only a reflection of the inner separation. यानी बाहर जो problems आ रहे हैं वो inner शिव और शक्ति का separation, या inner शिव का triangle and the शक्ति का triangle जो कि separated है, उसी से आ रहे हैं. Heal that union, that is the Markaba, and your life transforms. You don't have to sit in a cave to understand Shiv and Shakti. Even with small little things, you can understand Shiv and Shakti, right? You can understand very much about Shiv and Shakti. To tell you, I will tell you in business, मान लो, ठीक है? In business, Shiv is the goal setting, whatever goals you set. Shakti is the efforts needed to reach that goal, right? So everything, if you see, everything is about Shiv and Shakti, and as you get on deep with us, you will get to know so many things related to Shiv. Shiv is the silent witness. It is your inner silence, right? So if you're doing everything but not able to manifest, then there is a problem with this upper triangle, which is Shiv. Right? So now let us do one thing. Let us look into correcting our Shiv energies. Right? So what we will do, at least in the ambit of this program, now this is not something which we mention in the curriculum, but this, there are 2-3 things I do extra for each batch. So we will connect to our Shiv energy. That means what you will do is that you will visualize you are in a triangle which is pointing upwards. है ना, यानी उसकी जो peak है वो upwards है, and you are in that triangle. Now when you imagine or when you visualize, अब जो लोग visualize कर सकते हैं उनको visual effects आएंगे, जो लोग नहीं visualize कर सकते उनको एक feeling आएगी कि probably my triangle is not प्रॉपर और इम्बैलेंस्ड है. बहुत सारे लोगों को, आप लोगों को लगेगा कि ये ट्रायंगल इम्बैलेंस, यानी कि तीनों साइड्स जो है ना वो बैलेंस नहीं है, कोई लाइन बड़ी है कोई लाइन छोटी है, या कोई ट्रायंगल का एंड ऐसा खुला हुआ है. यू विल फाइंड डिफरेंट थिंग्स, बट नॉट टू वरी. आई एम गोइंग टू पुट अप अ शिव चांट, एंड while you're doing this, you will just connect with the Shiv consciousness, and you will look into correcting the Shiv triangle. Right? You will look into correcting this so that all the 3 sides of the triangle, all the 3 lines of the triangle, they are balanced, and it becomes like a perfect triangle. अब of course एक ही इसमें तो perfect नहीं हो सकता है, but जितना तक हो सकता है उतना तक हम करेंगे. Clear? So that is what you will visualize. If you are not a good